You guys get ass soup?
A little
Is that just me? Like. Woo! And if you're like Adam and you want to keep your clothing safe, use Saran Wrap your clothing. Wow, dude, you smoke weed? That was a crazy idea.
It's like John Lennon rose from the dead.
We have 2 t-shirts for you guys. 2 Supreme t-shirts. They got the logo on the front. What do they call it? Rectangle logo.
Okay guys, so today's video is gonna be a Common Apparel room tour. Should we just go in?
Let's do it.
Let's do it, okay. That's that new shoe smell. You got one big lick of this ice cream cone.
Wow. You changed that tab pretty quickly.
Let's grab the shoes. Oh,
did I raise you?
You raised me well.
Mama's proud. You and mama proud.
I got this for my 13th birthday, a shaving kit. So far I've used 1 blade. I wore this to grade 9 orientation. All you thotties watching, get ready. This is what you're gonna be coming home to.
Who goes under here? That's somebody who wants to listen?
The second one goes.
Oh, so this is the waiting room.
Settle down, boys. This video is actually sponsored by Grailed. I don't know if you guys know what that is. It's this really cool app where you can buy brands like Obey and The Gap. The light keeps turning on. Okay. This is so hard.
Fucking bigot.
No, not business casual. Not business casual.
I've never had sex, so
Yeah.
but I have tried on pants.
This is the face of a defeated man.
I'm gonna kill him! Oh, I swear to God!
Like, I know I need to get drunk to like face the everyday challenges of life. I don't call it a Q&A for nothing. Quest for anal. My hemorrhoids are acting up again. This is how you test if a shoe is good. So what? Oh my God. What? Wow. A good shoe. It's a good quality shoe. You know, you can really feel that it's made in Italy.
What's happening, YouTube? What's happening, YouTube? You know what it is? We're back here for another snack review. We're back here for another fast food review. We're reviewing the Big Mac in our car today. Let's peep it. Thanks for that, Jeremy. Just so you know, I have a spare pair of pants if you need it. That's us girls. Always looking out for each other.
I'm not the type of girl. Whose toothbrush is this?
I have no idea.
It's mine now.
Oh, dude. It's really salty. Did he use it to like... Go wash. That might be the bleach one. Yo, I clean my white shoes with bleach.
We somehow found time to go to the club today.
Are we gonna get copyrighted? Guess what? I don't care, I'm drunk! Woo!
Come in my boy.
Kids these days just constantly tweet on that Instagram and they don't go outside and do anything.
We literally had cough syrup for Thanksgiving once.
When I was a kid, I used to like to keep things, so I taped my sock to here.
Look at that definition.
Woo! Is this what y'all Americans call NASCAR?
Woo! Okay, bye Adam.
It's the new Uber. So apparently, I look like the male version of Grimes.
What do you mean apparently? You do.
That sucks, because I've always called it really ugly. Incest is wincest.
Hi guys. Welcome back to Common Apparel. You guys ready? You guys ready for a good episode?
This is how they did it in the Wild Wild West. Did I just find Pablo Tour merch at Value Village? Alright guys, so our friends were not lying when they said that there was tons of Kanye Pablo Tour merch here. Take a look at what I found. Kanye West. Kanye. More Kanye. Kanye! What the how the fuck did this get here? This isn't Kanye. Oh, dude. We're here for Kanye.
If you didn't know, our videos are actually intended to be played on mute.
Shot looks good, you look like a piece of shit like always. Nice.
Thank you for the kind words. You're always so nice. I feel like $1 million.
Shoot for the. Wait, hello, voice crack.
Maybe it's tired. Puberty, it's probably this guy. Dude.
Puberty's coming. How'd you know?
Do you want to do the honors?
We're Minecraft YouTubers!
Yeah!
What?
Thanks for being on this journey with us, the Common Apparel journey.
He will not divide us. He will not divide us. He will not divide us.
He's literally Hitler.
Literally Hitler.
Literally Hitler. Oh my god, I see Barack Obama.
Fuck is that?
What the fuck is this?
This looks like a giant toilet. Where's some random spots? Where the fuck did this color come from?
In this video, Al discovers that he's colorblind.
Don't be a lame putting this wax stuff.
Do crabs think fish can fly? Honestly, I wish Yeezys were more expensive because they're worth the more expensive price. They're just quality.
Getting AIDS is funnier than this video. I would say getting AIDS was pretty funny for me. When you got AIDS, was that funny for you? Or?
I thought it was hilarious.
Yeah. No homo.
Until next time, this has been the plant and the 2 glasses. This is what this channel is called now. Plant to 2 glasses.
And a really shitty table.
Yo, what's up, bitches, motherfuckers? What's up, assholes? Yo, what's up? I'm gonna pimp yo bitches, yo cuck faces, yo, what's up? Listen to my yo, Miss Bitches there.